Welcome to our deep dive into eFormula, the course that's setting the e-commerce world abuzz. If you're dreaming of turning your online business into a powerhouse, you're in the right place. Today, we're peeling back the layers of eFormula to see if it truly is the key to unlocking your digital success. First up, what exactly is eFormula? Crafted by the renowned digital marketer Aidan Booth, eFormula is not your run-of-the-mill course. It's a comprehensive program designed to guide you through the intricacies of building a profitable e-commerce business from the ground up, leveraging the power of free traffic sources. But why listen to Aidan Booth? With decades of experience in the online world, Aidan has mastered the art of turning simple ideas into profit-generating machines. And with eFormula, he's sharing his blueprint for success. Now, let's talk strategy. eFormula zeroes in on high-margin products and teaches you how to find them, market them, and sell them without spending a dime on ads. Imagine attracting a flood of customers organically, without the constant worry of ad budgets and campaigns. But that's not all. eFormula goes beyond just Amazon, opening up avenues on platforms like Walmart and Facebook Marketplace. It's about creating a diverse, resilient online business that thrives on multiple fronts. Of course, no program is without its challenges. eFormula demands commitment and a willingness to learn and apply new strategies. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a detailed roadmap to building a sustainable online business. So, who is eFormula for? If you're an aspiring entrepreneur, ready to dive deep into the e-commerce world, hungry for success, and willing to put in the work, eFormula might just be your golden ticket. In conclusion, eFormula stands out as a comprehensive, practical program for those serious about making their mark in the e-commerce landscape. With Aidan Booth's expertise, a focus on free traffic, and a commitment to real, actionable strategies, eFormula could well be the catalyst for your online business success. Thank you for tuning in. If you're ready to embark on your e-commerce journey with eFormula, the time is now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and reviews. Here's to your success.